Problems with living in Colorado. No matter where you go, you're sure to find traffic.
Sometimes you just have to hitch up the camper and turn it into a mobile office, like we did this weekend for my real estate client event. Join us as we set up camp at Chatfield State Park, take in wildflowers, lake views, and share a few RV trips to make life a little more stable.
We're at the campground check-in. We're not real sure. I don't. My phone's on there. I need it.
Did I leave my phone?
Maybe.
I must have left my phone. I can live without my phone.
You can?
Yes, I can. Can you?
I can. Oh, the model airplane field. That's what that is.
Yeah.
Those are bigger than I thought they'd be.
The planes?
Yeah. Those are cool. Hey everybody. We're in Chatfield this weekend, Labor Day weekend. So we're in Loop C. So Loop B and C are somewhat together. So Loop C, we're in the outer ring. We're in Site 106. Right here, it's a nice pull through with electric. Has a lake view. It's limited lake view, but it is a lake view. It's pretty warm today. We have the AC on. We don't normally have the AC on in Colorado, especially in mountain locations. But pretty warm today. Nice campsite. It's got a nice little gravel area, and it's a pull-through site, so pretty good. Just outside this GeoPro, going this way, is a small trail that leads to the sidewalk trail. Nice bike path that goes all the way around the lake. Leads to all the highlights. So the marina is to my right. There's like a fisherman's area and everything down to the left. And the swim beach is actually on the other side of the lake. So to get to locations, you really probably have to drive to a number of these spots. From where the campground is, it's probably a little too far to be walking. Yeah, bike would work. A bike would be great. But we don't have our bikes with us. It would be a nice to have for us to get a bike rack, but we don't have that. So here's our site from the other side. Nice little pull-through area. And yeah, Chatfield, it's a good place. We like it.
Taking a walk. Look at all those people.
There's a ton of people.
So many people. That's what we get for booking a site in the middle of the city in Denver. But it's really quiet. Oh, like that dog.
He's angry. Which way you want to go?
Let's go to the left. Go look at that cabin that way.
Yeah. There's a sailboat out there. That's cool. I like sailboats. They're cool. Sailboats are cool.
You like sailboats?
I do. I just think it's so wild that they can like go in the direction that the wind is blowing. I don't understand.
We need to get you on a sailboat.
Yeah,
so
I guess I need to be on a sailboat. 'Cause I've
figure
never
that
been
out.
on one, really. I think they're so pretty, though.
No, I think they are too.
Slocum Cabin. I don't know. I've never been here. It'd be interesting to see. Like, obviously it was the original build, but the lake wasn't here, so what a view.
Yeah. Let's see what they say.
There's cacti on top.
Yeah, top of the roof. An unknown trapper built this. It was purchased in 1859 so this Thomas Slocum purchased the cabin from an unknown Englishman. His family owned the cabin until 1970. From 1859 to 1970.
Oh my goodness.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Where was it moved from?
It doesn't say.
Oh.
So they put it in a primo spot.
Yes. Another door over here. there. Kind of a flip it open window.
She sings through the window at the birds. Yep. Singing window. That's what I call those.
Pretty view.
Yeah, it is.
It's really pretty. It's this is the wake zone, so you get a lot more people moving around. Well, no, I guess it's not quite the wake zone. There's plenty of people anchored out there.
There's a line you can see.
Yeah. Because the swim beach is over on the other side.
Yeah. See all the way up. I just love all the trees.
Yeah.
They're all dead. But I wonder if everybody was putting one over there because there's shade.
Yeah, there's no shade here.
Mm-mm.
It's crazy how few people are in this parking lot compared to that other one, this Catfish Flats parking lot.
Yeah. I wonder if it is because it's just shady. Here it's not shady.
Maybe. It's weird though. I mean, it's a nice little place, but
It has great views.
kind of crazy how all the other lots are full, but not this one.
Not this one.
It's on the windshield.
Go to the marine. I guess we're not going to the boat marine.
Is that because we don't own a boat?
That's because we don't. Pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I like how it just sits out in the water. It's not a part of the beach, so it must float up and down with everything else
The water,
as the water goes up and down. No fishing in the marina. I guess that makes sense. Dinghies, keelboats, and regattas. That's interesting.
If this is not. It's not a duck.
What is it?
It's like a loon.
Oh.
Because he's under there a long time. Where is he gonna pop up? Seriously, he's under there a long time. Oh, that's because he came up over there.
Is that the snake?
I don't know. I would think so.
We're heading to the fishing pier. It's right over here.
Watch out, Corey.
Thank you. This is the fishing pier by the marina. It's got a pretty nice view.
You just need benches or chairs.
Yeah, you got a stand, I guess? Huh.
Or bring your own chair.
Bring your own chairs. Yeah, that's true. No jumping or diving, babe.
Gotcha.
Watch this pontoon boat. See if they flip that person off the raft or not.
Unless your brother's driving, probably not.
Yeah, well, my brother's pretty good at flipping you off the raft, yeah. While Amy was at her annual real estate client appreciation event, I decided to show you some of what we do to stabilize our RV. When we have really level sites that we're on, sometimes what we do is we load the chocks, is what we call it. So if it's nice and level, we'll go ahead and put a chalk in the back, and then Amy will holler at me, but I'll back up ever so slightly and just get up on the chalk just a little bit, and then we'll add a second chalk to the other side right here. So this really helps the back and forth motion on these really level sites. If you're on an unlevel site you have to put like a Lego block down or something, it's just not really possible. You can, but it's more difficult, and it's going to rock a little bit anyway. But we find this really helpful. Also, we highly recommend tire pressure monitor system. Gotta have one, especially the single axle trailer. You just never know. It's been a godsend for us. We had to go off once, and unfortunately it was a false alarm, but gave us a minor heart attack. And but it was nice to know that we were not alone. We understood what was going on behind us. So and we were able to pull off and validate that it was fine. It was just the tire heating up really quick from lack of use, and that drastic pressure change caused the sensor to go off. So better safe than sorry. If you're wondering what these are, I call them my hillbilly jacks. I found them on YouTube of all places. So it really helps with the swaying back and forth, since the R-Pod really just has jacks, scissor jacks that go straight down. The side-to-side action isn't all that well supported. It's okay. So you cut them at 45 degrees in the same direction, about a foot off. You put an eye bolt or use a ratchet strap, and you put one on both sides, and it really helps. I do one in front, one in back. They sell commercial versions of this, but this one I just throw the wood sticks in the back of the truck, and sure helps a lot. It's a rare sighting to see Corey on the grill. There's a reason. My wife's really good at it. So, yeah, she's super tired from her real estate outing. We're gonna cook up some hamburger and some veggies and see what happens.
Breakfast good.
My breakfast burrito taco. It's a nice day to be hanging out.
Yep, I agree.
Hang in the shade today because
Little breeze.
the breeze feels really good. It's going to be a warm one again today.
What are we doing today?
I don't know.
Are we reading?
You're reading.
Playing on Facebook?
Probably, yeah.
Chilling with our feet up?
Yep. I don't know what else to do. We could go get on the water, but
We could, along with the 50,000 other people.
oh my lord, it was so busy yesterday. I don't know. You were gone to the realtor thing, but the whole lake was just littered with people anchored out there. It would have been a slalom course to get through them all.
You're kidding me.
Oh no, it was crazy. It was amazing.
Really?
How many boats were just anchored in the no-wake zone, just hanging.
At 10 o'clock, every single parking lot was full already.
Yeah, it was nuts.
Yeah.
So, it's Labor Day weekend. I guess it's to be had.
To be had, and we are close to the city.
Yeah.
So, I'm enjoying the birds.
Maybe we just hang today.
And the bunnies.
Yeah, the birds and the bunnies. I missed that deer yesterday. Dang it. That deer was cool. We're gonna follow this little trail and see if where it ends and if it has a nice view. Seems to be a long distance to the water here at Chatfield from all the RV sites. So we're just trying to find ways to get down to the water, check everything out. Not sure if the camera shows it, but it's getting pretty steep. Oh, there's a few people down there. Not sure that they got this way. That was like a party bus right there.
I mean, did you see him wakeboarding?
Yeah, it was cool.
They're screaming in that boat.
In the boat, they're screaming?
Yeah.
It'll get you.
You see the yucca?
The yucca. Oh, look at that yucca. That's pretty.
Pretty when it flowers.
Yeah, not right now.
Now it's just a reminder of how hot it is.
It is just hot.
black dots are boats anchored.
Join us next time as we have a couple of other crooks join us on our adventures. Until next time, chase your escape.
Are you videoing my panic moment?
Your panic moment? What do you mean?
Oh my gosh, I've texted her cleaner 4 times this morning and it is 8:10.
This is the chase part of Chase Your Escape. So we're dealing with a few short-term rental issues. It's all right. People
It's
are
not an issue.
not issues.
Called Amy needs coffee.
Amy needs coffee. But Sunday mornings are pretty popular for short-term rental issues, and Saturday mornings are pretty popular
At the beach house.
at the beach house. So yeah, it's been fun. You should own one too.
You need to not care about this.